Hello, my name is Jürgen Rinelli and I'm a senior software consultant. In my today's short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload a new license file, either in order to renew your license or to upgrade your existing license with new features. Have fun!
All right, we are in Endpoint Central, and today we're gonna upgrade this version of Endpoint Central with more features. So in order to do that, we're going to go to that avatar symbol on the right. We're going to click on License. And all we have here is our actual license details. You see there is only additional features, the multi-language pack failover services and a secure gateway server, nothing else. Now we're going to upload the license, either browse or drag and drop the license file. And click on upload. And that's all. Now validation is in progress. And here is the new license details. After refresh, we have now the endpoint security add-on features as well, vulnerability management, browser security, and such. Let's go back. Refresh the page. And now we see threads and patches already start with new. And then we have browser security, application control, malware protection, endpoint data loss prevention, BitLocker management, and device control. Yeah, that's been all for today. Upgrading a license. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching and see you soon.